I just want to say, it's my mum's birthday tomorrow. She's 85, my mum. It's her birthday tomorrow. In an hour. And, you know, we'll send this to her. And everybody's saying, happy birthday, Mary, she's called. Can you do that for me? Happy birthday, Mary?
Yes.
Yeah, good. After 3, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Mary!
And this song is very much in memory of my dad raining in the garden. It's got a line in it. He used to say to me, I'd say to him, you know, is it still raining, Dad? And he'd say, the rain always stops when it gets to your skin. So, shut up. And it was. You just have to desecrate the memory of my dear departed father. I'm going to tell my mum.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, he would love that. So, Rain in the Garden. It's partly at least dedicated to my dad.
I'd love to add that this song saved me from depression. You remember I had hard times 4 years ago. Yeah. So the song literally saved me. Really. Okay. Tale of mystery.